Hello students, once again I am here to clear your confusion about two more very important prepositions from English. They are below and under. So there are certain situations in which we are supposed to use below, and there are certain situations in which we are supposed to use under. If we exchange a use, we commit errors, and I don't want any of my student to commit this error in coming examination also, or whatever examinations you face in your life. So here I am to give you certain conditions in which we are going to use below as well as under. First of all, we'll discuss about below. Actually, the meaning of below and under is lower than. Lower than means, you see, these are two objects in my hand. One is water bottle and another is marker. Here, if you see the condition of this marker, it is lower than this particular bottle. So in both the situation, either we can use below or we can use under. But in which situations and which conditions we are supposed to use below, we will discuss. First of all, below is used when there is no contact or touch between people and things. See this. This is the contact. But below cannot be used when there is a contact. Below is used when there is no contact between two things. Besides this, there is no need that they should be vertically aligned. They should be aligned in such a manner that one object is higher at the position and one object is lower. In that condition, we can use below, but one condition, very important condition, is that there shouldn't be any touch between the objects or the people that we are referring to. So here I can say that this marker pen is below this water bottle. So this is one condition wherein we are supposed to use below and not under. There are some more examples about this situation that I have written on the screen. There is a man standing below the street light. There might be a street light and not actually under the street light, but lower than the street light. There is one person standing. In that case, you can say that there is a man standing below the street light. There is one more example that I gave you. There is a marker pen below the water bottle. There are some more examples like the sun disappeared below the horizon. You cannot say under the horizon as there is no touch. Few boys are standing below the national flag. There might be a flag, but there is no touch between the head and the national flag. So in that condition, we can use below. So few boys are standing below the national flag. There is one more condition wherein we are going to use below. The condition is in measurements of temperature and height, we use below. The examples are the temperature of Mumbai is always below 40 degrees. The house was flooded because it was below sea level. In both the sentences, we are not supposed to use under. If we use under, it would be an error on our part. So what are the different conditions in which we are going to use under? I will talk in next video. Thank you.